Joystick. Default wiring. The second method of connection. 1. Tear down process. Pry open the cover plate. Use tools to pry open one by one. Pay attention to strength and angle. Continue to lift the cover plate. Use tools to pry up and down together. Unplug the original vehicle cable. Unscrew the screws. Take out the original car mainframe. Pry open the original car screen panel. Pay attention to the angle of prying open. Wiring process. Remove the screen. Transfer the screen power cable and its cable. Transfer the original vehicle power cord. Connect these to wires behind the screen. Original car audio setting. Set the correct dip switch for the box. 3. Use CarPlay. Press the menu key for 3 seconds to switch the interface.